thought I'd take you around, show you a little bit about what we got going on, what we're going to be doing. I'll be dealing with this today or tomorrow, and this, some stuff from Haas Tools. That way we'll go show you what we got going on there. And I am working on several other things. We'll show you some videos. But let me turn you around, let you see what I'm looking at. Okay, I am up potting the last of my peppers. These are some Trinidad Morugas. Let's see, we got some Chocolate Ghost, some Trinidad Moruga Scorpions, some that I mix the seeds up. They're either chocolate or red ghosts. I'll just plant all them out. And then I've got a few red ghosts left. And I'm working on about 500, 600, 700 basil plants I'll be transplanting. And then I have a few peppers back here. Let's see. And those are lemon spice jalapenos. So get the rest of them up potted today. And that way I'll be done with peppers. I think that's the last of them anyway. And we've got some watermelons and cucumbers going on. Some cantaloupe. Some zinnias. So what we got here is some zinnias. We got some watermelon here, Congo, and my Congo has not come up very well, and my Crimson Sweet hasn't either. Georgia Rattlesnake and some Alibabas. Sugar Lump, it's a tropical cross we're working on, and some cantaloupe top melons, some white sugar lumps. Got some more down there, more here. We've already took some up to the germination room. Cucumbers here. Some flowers. I got cucumbers down there. We've got a lot going on. Okra, a little bit of a lot. So let's take you. I'm going to show you what I got going on in the greenhouse. All right, show you some of what we do. A lot of this is for us, and a lot of this is for sale. You know, we do both. We sell to the local public. We plant in our garden, so we grow about 90% of our plants right here on the farm. We do source about 10%, maybe even more like 4% from some local, semi-local organic nurseries. But all of this right here you're seeing is ours. This is all stuff that we grow. See some yellowing on some of these peppers. They are wanting to be in the ground. They're tired of being in these pots. And so that's what we've been doing. We're working full force to get all this into the ground. Tomatoes, peppers. About half of these tomatoes will go in the ground. We've already got the sweet, this is sweet peppers. We've already got ours pulled, and we're currently planting. So the rest of what's here will be for sale. If some of this doesn't sell, we will probably plant some more out. You know, maybe another 100 plants we'll put out if it doesn't sell. But we've got our 1,300 plus plants already pulled. We got some eggplants back there and some dwarf sunflowers. Some blackberries and raspberry starts. This is our hot peppers and super hots on the ground. I'm gonna get them off the ground today and get them up to where they're not sitting on the ground. These are peppers that are all for sale. We sell off of our website locally, and then we sell off Etsy for shipping orders. We're working on trying to figure out how to get all that integrated to our website. The problem is the price we sell it for locally, we cannot sell it for and ship. It takes a full day for us to package and ship plants, and it's just not cost effective to sell them at the same price. We have to make quite a bit more money on them, otherwise, you know, it takes 3 and sometimes 4 of us right between 6 and 12 hours, depends upon how many plants are going out that week, to ship plants each week. So as you can imagine, that's 3 salary for 3 people for a day. And you know, if you even count as little as $16 an hour, that doesn't pay off because we don't make enough on it. But it's a service we offer and something we're glad to do, and we just have to make that extra money in order for it to make sense. So here is our lettuce and greens greenhouse. It is starting to come to an end. Things are bolting. So this is getting ready to all come out. Over the next 2 weeks, this will come out and do a complete transformation. This will become tomatoes and cucumbers more than likely, and eggplants. So we'll probably do eggplants down one side, cucumbers down the middle, and determinate tomatoes down the other side. And here is what I wanted to show you. And we still haven't got it all cleaned out. We're working on it. As you can see, most of the plants are already gone. But look here. Look at these tomatoes. I've got one down there that's nearly, 2 of them, it's nearly 6 feet tall. These Carolinas have grown tremendously. Absolutely. Got some more starting up here on another truss. These things are taking off. Look at that truss. Look at those tomatoes. This is another Carolina. We've got some more Carolinas coming on here. And here we get into our pink wonders. Got one starting back there. And here we have a whole truss full of pink wonders. Now, pink wonder is a greenhouse variety that is similar to brandywine, pink brandywine. Look at that. So far, I am very happy with the productivity on these plants and how fast they grow. More pink wonders. More pink wonders. And I have more pink wonders. Back there is a whole bunch of pink wonders. Now over here, these are my big Dinas. Really starting to set some fruit. Now my other big Dina, I don't know if it had a flower cluster get broke off or what, but it didn't set its first truss of fruit until there. There's a possibility it lost a flower cluster somewhere. And here we have, let me just walk over there and show you instead of trying to reach around. It's our trees we've grafted. So You'll see this little bit of burn. That's fertilizer burn. I'm pretty sure I over fertilized. These are my Edox tomatoes. And this is Clementine. Love these trusses of tomatoes that they put out. Look at this truss. This one's ahead of all of them on the trusses, on the Clementines. Look at that. It won't be long, that guy will start to turn. And here we have another one. And another one. We're starting another one. And there's the beginning of another one. So here we have Sun Gold Select. And I'm experimenting to see how this does in a greenhouse. So we're just starting to set fruit. So way behind. I just knocked one off. Look here. Look here. Way behind our other greenhouse varieties. We'll pick that up. Take it out with us. Got a couple of weeds that's got to go. But so the Sun Gold Select is definitely not keeping up with the other ones. Same age plant, not nearly productivity. And there was Big Dina's also. And this little classic red beefsteak is an experiment, and it is 2 weeks behind the other plants, so I won't knock it yet. But as you can see, this is eye level with me. So this is almost a 6 foot tall tomato plant. That's the Sun Gold Select. But that Pink Wonder, or sorry, that Carolina is about the same height. So, very excited. Very excited. Here's my little potted, I think this is a Tasmanian. Yep. Tasmanian Habanero. And it is setting fruit and blooming. We kept intending to rip all these out, but it never got done. So we're going to take out the ones that are dead. We're going to fertilize this bed and maybe replant a few. And get these peppers back in production because they're already starting to bloom and blossom. So we need to give them every chance to do what they want to do. Now, if you watched our other video, we've got a greenhouse tomato cucumber video. These are the ones we planted. Hopefully tomorrow I'm going to get these staked so we can get some good upright growth. And I may go ahead and tie them off, even though I'm not done up here. Instead of staking them, I may go ahead and just tie them off to the top and work with them that way. And then here are peppers. I'm going to come through and do some weeding, do a little bit of hoeing in my walkway. But here's the peppers. This side is all hots and super hots. This is the stuff that I felt that was worthy for one reason or another, either popularity or its uniqueness, to be in what's going to be our greenhouse, so that this fall, when the frost comes, it'll be protected and give me an extra 30 days of production. Gives time for them pods to ripen a little more. Keeps them fresh on the vine. And this side is our bell peppers. We have purple, yellow, orange, red. That's all 4 varieties. And these are all greenhouse performers from Johnny's. It's different greenhouse varieties. So, and then the tomatoes is is more of what we got in the greenhouse that I just showed you: Clementines and Pink Wonders and Carolinas. And so that's about it for this little video. I've got to go get to up-potting some stuff. I've got to get these peppers and herbs taken care of. So it's the time of year that we need to be in the garden. So I got to get done with the stuff that I've been working on. So I hope you've enjoyed. If you have, be sure you like and subscribe. Hit that notification icon. Makes a big difference for us. So thank you. God bless you, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Take care.